Welcome back. We're making 25 pounds of venison bratwurst. So in the bucket we got 15 or 16 pounds of venison and 10 pounds of pork belly ground up, coarse ground. And now we're putting, what was it, 125 grams of
powdered
milk. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon of
the Bier is on
curing
its way.
salt. That's good. All right. So there's and we have, what's this? Number 1. This is like number 1 Instacure.
Yeah.
One of these.
This whole day.
And then, here, take a look at that. But I don't know. I picked this one. We're gonna add beer, but this is from this butcher supply local place. That's everything that's in it. All right. That's got hops and how's it smell?
Good.
Oh man, it's pretty good. So we're gonna need six
cups of water.
6 cups of water, 6 cups of beer. There's 2. There's 4. 6. So now we need what you said, 48 ounce of beer?
Yep.
That's easy. We picked lager. What are all these Mexican beers are Austrian style, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is traditional? Is that what you said?
Yeah, traditional style.
We get the questionable color off of this. I actually use this for all grain beer, but we'll rinse it off and then we gotta mix. Now we gotta mix it. What is it they say? You don't watch sausage being made? Man, it smells really good.
It does.
It's I'd like to know what hops they use in there. So now it's pretty well mixed. We're gonna go and grind it with a finer plate. Now we're gonna regrind, and these are the buckets that I get my wine juice in, so they're food grade. Anyway, here we go.
There you go.
you can kind of control how. Then about how big you want them.
How big do you want them? Or do you just, how do you separate them?
You twist them. 25 pounds of Bier brats, venison Bier brats. And we're cooking one up right now to try it. Stand by. We wrapped it up and we're going to put it in the kitchen for the binder to set for what?
I think it's a couple days.
A few days anyway. That's righteous. What do you think, Walter? Walter thinks so too. Thanks for stopping by.